this video is going to be for anyone who's interested in getting live TV on your FireStick, or also interested in receiving one of my free trials of live TV on your FireStick. You can actually try it out for free before you buy it. So I'm gonna walk you through the steps to download the necessary application so you can enjoy live TV right on your FireStick, like really good live TV. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna have to download an app called Downloader. If you have the little, if you have the Alexa remote, you can just hold this button right here and say it, Downloader. Downloader is this little orange little app right here. You're gonna click on that, and you're just simply gonna click download. And once that's getting done downloading, I'll give you guys the next step. There you go. Open that up. Click OK. Now for this part, you're gonna have to type this link in exactly. I'll also put the link on the screen so you guys can pause the screen at this point and type the link in. So it's gonna be Prime Streams with an S TV.com / TV dot APK. Once that's done, you're gonna hear the go or enter. It's gonna, if you typed it in correctly, it's gonna automatically start downloading like that. Forgive me, I am in my office. That's why you see the back glare of the sky and the buildings behind me, but you'll be okay. The point is you can get the application on your FireStick, so I can give you a free trial to Prime Stream, which is a live TV application for your FireStick. That's done. You're gonna come down here to where it says install. Click install, and it's going to finish installing. Once it's done installing, you can go to open here to go ahead and open it directly, or you can click done. I want to click done, so I just want to show you how to get to it an easy way. I want to click the home button to hop out of the downloader, get back to the regular FireStick screen, the home screen. What you want to do, if you didn't notice yet, if you hold down the home button on your device, it'll pull up quick options. You can click on apps, sleep, mirroring, or settings. So what you're gonna do here is go to apps. It's gonna pull up all the applications that's on your FireStick. If you go down to the bottom, you're going to see Prime Streams, which looks like a little transformer. You're gonna click that, and once you get to this page, it's gonna ask you for a username and a password. At that point, reach back out to me. I'll give you your specific username and password, so you can access Prime Streams for free for 36 hours and enjoy live TV on your FireStick. At that point, if you liked it and you want to join up, just hit me back and we'll get you set up.